An artisan's touch for ultimate accuracy. The precise surfaces achieved by an artisan have yet to be surpassed. When tracing a flat surface, only an artisan can feel even the slightest imperfection and can hone it to a straightness difficult to attain by machine. Integrating LEGEX technology with the skills of master artisans. The ultra-high accuracy CNC coordinate measuring machine, LEGEX Takumi. We used FEM for advanced structural analysis to achieve high rigidity and damping performance. In the pursuit of accuracy, we produce all core components in-house. Ultra-high accuracy crystallized glass scales experience virtually zero thermal expansion. And finally, our master artisans use superior finishing techniques. Together, all these elements combine to achieve the highest level of measuring accuracy. Inheriting the techniques and history of Mitutoyo, our master artisans, known as Takumi, have created a measuring machine that pushes the limits of accuracy. LEGEX Takumi. Today, the world standards are changing.